Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Bros. On the piano. We'll start by focusing on the right-hand melody, which is the most recognizable part. Begin with the iconic C, G, C, E, G, C, E notes. Play these with your right hand, aiming for clear and even tones. Practice the first phrase slowly, ensuring accurate rhythm and finger placement. The melody starts on middle C, then moves up to the G above it, creating that familiar, upbeat sound. Now let's bring in the left hand to add depth with simple, foundational chords. For the opening section, you'll play a C major chord which consists of C, E, and G. As the melody progresses, transition smoothly to a G major chord, using the notes G, B, and D. It's important to maintain a steady, rhythmic pulse with your left hand, providing a solid foundation for the right hand's melody. This creates a fuller, more complete sound. To truly bring the Super Mario Bros. Theme to life, we need to add dynamics and articulation. Vary your touch to create dynamic contrast, making the music more expressive. Use staccato for those short, detached notes, especially to mimic the jumping sounds. Conversely, employ legato for smooth, connected phrases in the main theme. Experiment with different volumes to highlight melodic sections, perhaps playing louder for the main theme and softer for transitional parts. Finally, let's talk about effective practice and putting it all together. Practice each hand separately until both parts feel confident and fluid. Then, combine your hands slowly, focusing intently on coordination and timing. It's helpful to break the song into small, manageable sections, mastering each one before moving on. Also, listen to the original theme frequently to internalize its rhythm and overall feel. With consistent practice, you'll be playing the full Super Mario Bros. Theme in no time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.